Cal BHP UK, and for quite a while we've had a little omission in our support list in that we haven't been able to cover the Kawasaki Z900s. We have been working on a solution for remapping the Z900s, so we're just going to get this one up on the dyno. We're going to run it up, see what Kawasaki have set it up at the factory. This particular bike is fitted with an Akrapovic decat and NCAN system. We've already got a reader off the ECU now. We're going to come up with a fully developed tuning strategy for these bikes. So with this Kawasaki Z900, because the bike had already had a high lift cam fitted before it came to us, we didn't have any base data for this bike in particular. So as a precautionary measure, we added a little bit of fuel to it before we started to do any runs. So we couldn't really establish before and after runs. What we did manage to do was make the fueling absolutely perfect. We started to introduce a little bit of advanced where we thought we could get away with it. And then we would test that on the dyno just to present the final results that we've got on the bike. The bike made 121 brake horsepower at wide open throttle, and we've obviously run it at a 75, 50 and 25% accelerator opening, and you can see wherever it is in the accelerator opening or the RPM range, it's running at pretty much 13.2 air fuel ratio throughout. It is a bike that we've been really happy with what we've been able to achieve with it. If you do have a bike that's got some hardware modifications like that, it's always better to be able to take some runs first to get to establish base data. But if that's not a possibility, we can still write good maps in that situation. As far as torque's concerned, we've made 97 Newton meters and we've got a really flat torque delivery. Even at 3000 RPM, the bike's making 80 Newton meters of torque. Really hope you're enjoying what we bring you to the channel. Please do hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon. It does help us out and it keeps you notified of all the new projects that we bring you to the channel.